Daddy Princess, alright?
Yes, Daddy, I'm alright.
Uncle Shepherd, I treated good?
Yes, he is.
Good. So, you're comfortable?
Yes, up here is nice.
Did you eat anything from morning?
Yes, I ate popcorn.
Oh. Anything to drink?
Yes, I drink water.
Ah, very good. Very, very good.
So, where is Uncle Shepherd now?
He's in the backyard, in the garden.
I want Destiny see that one, yeah. Coconut. Yeah. We'll make good stew peas. And rice and peas. How we go behind it? Give yourself, you know. You shut to the mouth, you know. My pies, no, no. Oh.
Okay. Alright, so I'll talk to you later, alright?
Bye-bye. Love you.
Love you too, Destiny.
Aww, Daddy whisper. Destiny, where's Uncle Sheppy?
He's in the backyard.
Okay, thank you. Sheppy! You see my red tide?
Look, Mildred. You know you're coming like a Delilah. For when Samson is asleep, Delilah cut off in here, you know. When me asleep, you take off my headdress and go wash it. What you expect me to put on me head? And me got it. Why the mango tree a beer, sir? I want to tell you the girl who want some of the mango. Destiny? Destiny? Want some mango, sir? Yes, man. Destiny, mama look for when me call you. Destiny, mama look for when me call you. I wanna rule my destiny. Destiny, look for when me call you. Yes, little girl. Me alright. Nearly pop me caca. You don't know what is caca in, so don't practice that word. Oh. And a sword fight, you hear? Me go teach you about farming, do you?
Yes.
Alright. Come, make we start over here, so. Now, you know a mango. This is a black mango tree.
But Uncle Shepherd, then green.
And me say them black. I feel me heard it? Alright, come, over here, so. No. Ants bite you? Yeah, man, when you're a farmer, you get enough ants bite, you know. All wasp too. No, look on this thing. You see this? This is soursop. This good for your nerves. Whether you eat it or drink it. Yeah?
Uncle Shepherd, what is this?
No pay no attention to that. That's the price. Come. This is gungo peas. Yes, man, good in a rice and peas, you know. You and Mildred cook some for you. You say you lick all your finger them and yam them too. But who there? You see that? A breadfruit, that yellow heart, come.
So, Uncle Shepherd, those are the young breadfruits.
Oh, yes man. I the lily one them this. And them grow big and round.
But Uncle Shepherd, it's not your breadfruit tree.
No, let me teach you something, you see, little girl. You see the breadfruit tree? It over here, don't it? The limb them over here. So you see when the leaf them drop off, and me have to sweep them up. So you see when the breadfruit them drop off, and when they hang over here, me pick them. So if they over here, then belongs to me. Alright? Okay, you have too much question now. Come, you go back. And this thing, them you know, a coconut will fall off of the tree, then dry. You understand? And them you ox them and make dry coconut when mixing a rice and peas, and you can put the gungo in it, you know, and make the rice and peas. Now, you see them here? When them green and they not dry, then go to wash off your heart. So you don't have no heart problem and you don't have no pressure problem. Me know say when you grow it's a destiny, probably you go want to turn them accountant, or year hostess, or liar, or doctor them sitting there. But you see, anywhere you live, you must always have space to plant food. Yeah? So you're not hungry. So remember, when you make this space to plant the food, you grow where you eat, and eat what you grow. Oh, me so. You know, me think you have big things in your destiny. Come, you go inside.